IRMO has been supporting the Latin American community and more widely Spanish and Portuguese speakers for the last 3 decades. The aim of the project really is to keep EU citizens with a Latin American background to have the knowledge and skills to access services, to access their civic, social and economic rights. We organize activities for both adults, children and young people, like ESOL classes, creative activities and workshops. The EULAMP project started February 2018, and last year we have been able to support more than 250 individuals, increase our advice service, work together now with Lambeth Law Centre, Southwark Law Centre and Law Centre network. The great thing is now that we can share good practices, we can share knowledge, we can better support the community. I think it's very challenging to see people coming to IRMO and realize how much they are stressed. They be let down from other services. They don't have the English skills to understand the system. Every time they come here and they receive information, receive advice, support, relieve their worries and their stress, which means that it's going to be a big benefit for everyone and for the society itself.